Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about all the new features and changes in iOS 26 Beta 7. Apple just released the 7th developer beta of iOS 26, bringing us closer to the final version while still rolling out a few notable tweaks and fixes. That said, let's get started. So first off, I would like to highlight the redesigned blood oxygen feature. The latest iOS 26 and watchOS 26 betas introduce a refreshed blood oxygen experience for Apple Watch Series 9, Series 10 and Apple Watch Ultra 2 models sold in the US since mid-January 2024. The redesign aims to streamline the feature and enhance usability. Now, talking about the adaptive power notifications, iOS 26 continues to refine its new adaptive power mode, which works alongside the traditional low power mode to extend the battery life on compatible iPhone models. Adaptive power mode can make performance adjustments when needed. Slightly lower display brightness allows certain tasks to take longer and automatically enable low power mode at 20% battery. With Beta 7, Apple had added an adaptive power notifications toggle in the Settings app, Battery, Power mode, letting you decide whether you want to push notifications when adaptive power mode activates. This feature is limited to the iPhone 15 Pro and newer models, though iOS 26 itself is compatible with all iPhone 11 models and later, so make sure to keep this important thing in your mind. Now, I would like to highlight the important bug fix that has landed in iOS 26 Beta 7. Apple has also addressed a bug that caused screenshots to appear darker than expected, ensuring more accurate captures, and that's about it. So, these are all the new features and changes in iOS 26 Beta 7. Now that you have got the latest beta, take it for a long spin and do share your thoughts about it, and I'll catch you up in the next one.